In this Chyron 66, we focus on Chyron Prime Designer and show you how to use the power of JavaScript to enable an operator to highlight key players within this slab. Let's say we want to give operators the ability to highlight rows representing specific players or key events. How do we do that? Well, with JavaScript. We can script behaviors tied to user input. Let's dive into the code. We start by prompting the operator for input. Next, we set up the loop to define the row numbers. For each row, we're going to add highlight, and then enable the state of that highlight. Now that the script is in place, the operator hits F8 to bring up the input box, enters the rows they want, separated by the slashes, and click OK. And there you have it, a real-time highlighted area of this slab. All thanks to the scripting power of JavaScript within Chyron Prime.